Hey everyone, welcome back to my series on Jeep's transmission. Today we are going to look at all the evidence that shows that your lifetime transmission fluid is not lifetime. It may be more like warranty time. We'll take a look at a couple of videos from ZF on their stance and ZF service information documentation on how often you should change your ZF transmission fluid. Before we get into it, if you get anything out of this video, please consider subscribing. It really lets me know to continue to make these videos. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up and drop a comment. It helps get this in front of more Jeep owners who could really benefit from it. All right, let's get into it. All right, here are a couple of videos from ZF on changing the transmission fluid. Okay, so in this first video, you see ZF talking about changing the fluid, and they show, as an example, BMW. So it's just not Jeep. A lot of manufacturers say that this is a lifetime fluid. So let's take a look at what they say.
Da steht's ganz da drauf.
Lifetime Öl.
Lifetime Öl. Also der Hersteller von dem Auto sagt ganz klar, da braucht er nichts dran zu machen.
Und das stimmt nicht.
Here they say that's not right.
Das sagt nämlich nur der Hersteller der Autos, aber nicht der Hersteller der Getriebe.
And so I'm going to skip through some of this.
Sagt ganz klar, der Ölservice muss durchgeführt werden zwischen 80 bis 120.000 Kilometer.
And then they state what ZF actually requires. So here they clearly say every 100,000 kilometers, which comes out to be about 62,000 miles. Okay, and I'm sure this is a coincidence, but my Jeep Wrangler warranty on transmission expires at 60,000 miles. All right, now let's take a look at another video. This one is from ZF's aftermarket division. And here again, they state that you need to change the transmission. They give it a little bit different interval, but state that it will depend on how you drive your car.
ZF recommends changing the oil in the automatic transmission every...
Okay, I'm not going to play the rest of this videos, but you get the gist. Next, let's take a look at the ZF service information oil change document for their 8 HP transmission family. If you look here and we scroll down, we can see that it says, depending on the driving style, ZF recommends transmission oil change every 80,000 kilometers to 120,000 kilometers. So I know in the previous video it said 100,000 kilometers, but so this falls within range. The reason for that is basically how you drive, what type of vehicle you have, what kind of load you put on that transmission. So at very high temperatures, which you'll find if you're driving really fast or towing a trailer, or in this case it says sporting driving, but I will add one more thing, and that is off-roading. Off-roading actually puts even more of a load than what they call quote-unquote sporty driving. The only time I've seen my Jeep really kick in the fan really high and really work hard is rock crawling or off-roading. You can actually hear it because it's working so hard, and you can see it in the temperatures. The reason for that is on the steep climbs, rock crawling, that kind of stuff, you're really building a high internal pressure. You're causing high converter slip. You're putting on a high clutch load. On top of that, when you're moving slow, very low airflow goes through the cooler, or through under your car to be able to cool the transmission naturally through airflow. This is why they say 80 to 120,000 kilometers. And if you look at my other video, I actually sent the oil to Blackstone Labs, and they came back, and right at 37,000 miles, I had to change it because I did a lot of towing this year, and I did a lot of off-roading. So that explains why the oil had lost its viscosity. All right, so I have a lot of other documents that say the same thing, but at this point, we're going to move on to the next topic, which is how a clutch works. After learning how a clutch works, you'll not only understand what your transmission is actually doing, but you'll also be able to make smart choices about maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or want to see more content like it, please consider subscribing and give a thumbs up. If you have any ideas or comments about what you want to see in the future, please comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.